Hello everyone from Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do a slip knot. Okay, so let's get started. This is called the tail end of your yarn and this is your working end of your yarn. Okay, so take the tail end of your yarn in your right hand, prepare your left hand, place the yarn over your left index finger once, place the yarn over your left index finger twice. Pop it between your middle finger and your thumb, hold it there, turn, just pop your working yarn under your pinky just for support. You don't want to put it on tight, okay? Now take your back loop and pop it halfway over your finger. Take the other loop and pop it all the way over your finger. And you've done your slip knot. We're going to do that again, okay? Excuse me. Take your tail end of your yarn in your right hand, place it over your left index finger once, place it over your left index finger twice, pop it between your middle finger and your thumb, hold it there, turn, pop your working end under your pinky, turn, pop that halfway over your finger, pop the other loop all the way over your finger, and there's your slip knot. Now before you crochet, just a little note to let you know that if you pull on the tail end, you will loosen your slip knot. If you pull on the working end, you will tighten your slip knot, and you are now ready to crochet. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. And then on your right hand side there's a little bell looking thingy. Just click on that and you will receive any other tutorial that I put up from now on. Okay. Remember to visit my Etsy store and my madeit.com.au store. Both those links will be in the links below. Thank you for watching Wow Crochet. I'm Mary. Happy crocheting to you. Bye bye.